about your life.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was born in 2002. I was born in Gohun.
Oh yeah.
My father is a ship mechanic and my mother is self-employed.
Okay.
I was brought up by my parents in rural area.
Okay.
My mother gave birth to 5 children.
It sounds like your parents are very rich.
Oh yeah. My elder sister is my senior by 50.
By what?
By 50. 50.
50? 50?
15인데 발음이 이거
15
15
years.
years.
연도가 들어가요. 15년에
아.
15년 차이로.
15
By 15 years.
by 15 years.
Okay.
Okay. I needed a special care, but I had many sisters to take care of me.
Okay.
When I sometimes in my childhood, I was left at the daycare center all day alone, but I didn't act on others.
You didn't act on what? You didn't act.
I didn't act on others like on others.
Okay.
I was a good boy.
That's good.
When I was 25 years old, I moved to Jeonju. I have been living in 5 months.
아, 이렇게 암기하시면